Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and if you're out there looking for a portable document scanner, alright, something that is fast, reliable and budget friendly, you guys can check out this JoyUsing, they are called the ScanPad series. So it's a foldable desktop scanner that you guys can bring while traveling or moving between like client's office and your office, all this and that, while scanning documents on the go, which is really interesting. But let me just open this and see what we get inside the box first. Well, we do get new launch products, alright, that's some advertisement, but let's just go ahead and take a look at this thing itself. Alright, so this is a very compact little scanner right over here. Alright, we do get a quick start guide as well, and other than that, this will be the thing itself. You guys can see it is very compact. Alright, you guys can put this in your backpack or anyone without, alright, or anywhere without interfering with any other things you have in your backpack itself. So, and how this thing actually works, well, this thing unfolds. There we go. Alright, it unfolds, and let's put it right onto your table. And if you were to bring this thing up, alright, it goes up to this angle, alright, and oops, we do have something inside here. I think it's a cable, yep, a USB-C, and inside here we do get a cable. Alright, we have a USB-A to USB-C adapter right on top of that, but if you're not using that, you guys can use the USB-A cable on that as well. And on another end is a USB-C cable that attaches to the back of this handheld scanner right over here. You guys can see, it just connects it, and you guys can see this thing is very flexible, and they have this things over here. You guys can see, all these markers over here for you to position your A4 paper or any other documents perfectly aligned, so that when you scan it, it will be perfectly in the spot itself. You guys can see, and this is the scanner itself. The whole thing here is aluminium, so you don't have to worry about it being like very cheap quality and breaks easily. This whole thing is aluminium, so it holds it up really well. You guys can see, very premium looking. There's a camera right over here, and they do have a light over here. You guys can see, I don't think my camera can focus well, but there's a light switch over here, so if you're doing this in a dark environment, there is also a light to do so as well. So yeah, this is the document scanner itself, and you guys can place any documents you want it, onto this thing itself, and you guys can just scan it, so you guys can place it. So you guys can see it's a rubber material, so when you place it on top here, it doesn't move around, it doesn't slip away very easily. It keeps the paper in place, which is really awesome. Alright, and yeah, this is how the whole scanner works. Very simple, very straightforward. Alright, it's just, all you guys have to do is just to unfold it, and if you want to keep it, just bring this thing down, okay, and then you just have to fold it upwards, fold in and fold it down, and it's just clips on together. So it's using Manex, and yeah, overall this is the whole thing, and you can just slot it in your bag, and whenever you want to use it, open it up both ways and put it up, and yeah, here you go. You're ready to start scanning your documents. So right now I'm just connect it to my PC, not my PC, sorry, my laptop itself, and let's do some document scanning, and you guys can see for yourself the high resolution results, of the scan. So we're gonna just push this scanner over here so you guys can see it, and I'm gonna plug it into my laptop right over here. So this is my laptop, and I just connect it right over here. Okay, so basically you have to download the software itself, and to find the software itself, you guys need to download from their website, which is included inside the quick start guide itself. So let's go to HTML and just download the software for either Windows or Mac OS. And right now you guys can see, you guys can place anything you want on the scanner itself, and yeah, it will it will capture. So you guys can see, it is on the thing itself, and as you guys can see, once you place it there, you guys can obviously take a picture or take a video from the software itself. So if I were to go to the software itself, I can press a capture, and it has captured it inside here. So you guys can have a document, or you guys can also capture it as a certificate as well. So you guys can also have certain certificates, probably this is the certificate I get when during my convocation. So you guys just put the certificate over here. Just align it well. You guys can see the picture quality is really good. And obviously I can just take a picture of it as well. But I'm gonna go with document instead, because this is more likely to be documents. And you guys can see, it has captured right over here, and you guys can see on the screen itself right here. You guys can see how good the details and the quality is of the scanned picture as well. So you guys can obviously zoom in, zoom out. All this you guys can see. You guys can zoom in, zoom out. Up to you. All right, and if you want to capture the back as well, all right, just place it nicely on the surface itself, and once it's nicely on the surface, you guys can see on here as well, and you guys can just click on start capture, and it should just capture on 3 over here. You guys can see all 3 has been captured over here. All right, you guys can capture a few more, all right, if you want to. All right, like and you guys can have, you know, grayscale, remove black borders, removing of background colors, all this and that very easily. All right, you guys can fold it up. All right, this is another document. You guys can see it's folded. Just place it neatly onto the table itself for it to scan it. All right, so once you know it's done, you guys can also have barcodes and QR code. All these you guys can select around. All right, and after you're selected, just click on take, and it will automatically take a picture right over here. All right, you guys can see. And then after that, once you're done, all right, you guys can convert that to a PDF files. All right, or you guys can print it as a picture itself. All right, or you guys can also save it to, you know, other output as well. So you guys can use it for PDF, Word document, Excel, whatever you want it to output to. So if I were to choose, all right, PDF, I can just select all the files I want it to export into PDF and just select PDF itself. All right, this is the PDF where I want to store it to. So I'm going to just store it to probably like my desktop itself, so I can easily view it from my desktop itself. All right, so let me just open up the PDF file for you guys to see. All right, so this is the PDF files, and you guys can see. All right, this is the full scan exported document. All right, just give some time for it to load. All right, so if I zoom out, you guys can see. All right, these are all the scan document that I scanned earlier on. You guys can see all the scan document, every single thing, every single wording. If I will zoom in at every single wording, you guys can see. All right, it is very, very sharp and very clear. All right, if I were to zoom out and see one of the smaller wording, right, probably right over here. All right, zoom now. All right, that's one wording right over here. You guys can see. All right, this wording, you guys can see it's very small. It's a super small, but you still can see it really. All right, it says realize, rejuvenate, and rejoice. So this is really cool. All right, it's very sharp. All right, you guys can see every single details over here, everything over here. If I were to zoom into this one as well. All right, if I zoom in, you guys can see the quality of the capture. You know, you guys can see the quality of the scanned document. Very good. All right, and compared to other scanner out there, the more expensive scanner, all right, this thing can have the same amount of details as those more expensive scanner that's cost about $7,000 to $1,000. All right, and this one is only just a fraction of 1/5 of the price of those, and it's compact. Those are really huge, and you can't bring it around. You have to like probably just leave it in a room or your office or whatever. But this one you guys can bring it around. It's portable, so if you're handling a lot of documentation, all right, this will be perfect. You guys can move between offices, travel around, all right, and still scan documents on the go, which is really awesome. You can see the quality of details of each scan document right over here. You guys can see its individual pictures, really clear, really detailed. All right, all the scan document you guys can see. All right, it is very good. All right, you guys can see the scanned everything. All right, it's so clear, so sharp that, you know, it's comparable to those $700 onward scanner, but you know, at this compact size at 1/5 of the price, I'm really blown away by how good the details of the scan end product is. So yeah, this is the whole demonstration itself, all right, of the of this one, of the scanner, so you guys can see and view for yourself how good, all right, this scanner is actually. All right, so yeah, just have to download the software itself, and this works for both, all right, Mac OS and Windows OS as well. You can scan any document really fast. Really just put a piece of paper, press capture, put a piece of paper, press capture, and then you guys can scan a lot, all right, in a small amount of times. All right, so yeah, this is the JoyUsing ScanPad series, the Pro series, and yeah, really compact. Once you're done, like I said earlier on, just put it down, flip it over, and bam. All right, you guys can just put this into your backpack right away, and whenever you want to start scanning, open it up, put it up, bam, you guys can start scanning on the go. No setup needed. Plug into your PC, your laptop, and you're good to go. So you guys can see, all right, if you guys are out there looking for a portable scanner, or you want something that is cheap, yeah, you can scan your documents clearly. All right, you guys can check out this JoyUsing Scanner Pro series. All right, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself right now. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If I find today's video really interesting, you guys have to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any other, you know, document scanner you want me to review, or any products you want me to review. Can and comment down below. And if I see that a lot of you guys wanting to do that, I will just get it and review it for you guys. All right, but other than that, if you guys want to check out this portable Scanner Pro by JoyUsing, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself right now. All right, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. This is JForce Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.